recognize those guys from a couple shows we went to. They can stop in if they want. All right, so let's see if we can make our way down here and maybe not run into any music that's gonna mess up with my video here. But let's take a little bit of a walk. These are some of the cars that are here now with Twisted Axle Car Club. A bunch of cool stuff.
How are you, sir?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, good.
All right, we got our West Coast rep over here. He's from like the Grand Rapids area. He drives 2.5 hours just to come here and hang out. Nothing like driving a Hemi car 2.5 hours just to come out here and hang out with us. That's pretty good. Little sublime green on a Chevelle. It's different. A lot more cars rolling in. Couple nice cars right here. Nice looking Merc. '70 RT. Lots of familiar faces rolling in. Today's Hines Cruise. Only the classics today. Cars need to be 25 years or older. And we just opened up the show here. A lot of guys rolling in. All kinds of stuff showing up today. make my way down here. Although every time I seem to go over that way, there's always music playing, which will end up messing up my video. But we got a bunch of cars rolling in right now. Hopefully you guys are kind of gonna come down here and check out the cruise. Great day for it. It's supposed to be mid 75, mid 70s. Good day for a show. So we're on Edward Hines Drive. This is the Cruisin Hines car show. All kinds of stuff rolling in right now. Show just started. Goes till 4. 9 o'clock now, 9-ish, right? All makes, all models, cars coming from both directions here. And if you guys see me on the side of the road taking some videos and pictures, stop by and say hi. Some race cars. Trying not to get hit by people on bicycles. Oh yeah, they're rolling in heavy now. So keep your eye out for the video. I'm going to put one together and I'll post it on the channel. Twisted Axle Motorsports on YouTube. But yeah, I'll bring you guys some more. Oh yeah, seen that guy quite a few times out on Woodward. Good story behind that one. And it looks like he might be pulling in and joining us today. So we'll see. Might get to talk about it a little bit more. A cool Daytona in black.